The Long Nine were extraordinarily important in the history of Springfield and Sangamon County, chiefly because they were heavily responsible for the movement of the state capital from Vandalia to Springfield.
It's important to remember that Illinois was settled from the south to the north. Well, what was going on in the south at that particular point in time? There was slavery.
The coal mine unions did develop strongly as the next few years developed. You had the big riot in Verdun where a dozen people were shot to death, most of them miners.